Making a landing page that fits all sizes is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can make a landing page which fits all size. So there are two types of websites. So the first one is responsive or relative, the other one is static. So whenever you are creating a website, you have two options. If you want to create the website static or you want to create it relative slash responsive. So what does a responsive website means? Suppose if you're creating the website on Wix or Shopify, you don't have to worry about that just because they are by default relative. So whenever you create a website, it is suitable for both, mobile and computers. But if you talk about, if you are doing the coding and stuff, you're, actually writing the codes in HTML, CSS. So for that, you need to make sure you're using the attributes of the relative coding. So suppose, as you guys can see at this website, it is created on the Wix. Now, if I switch to mobile view, it will be, it will fit automatically. So you just have to do the, relative coding or responsive coding for your website. So you just have to keep this in mind and start coding. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.